Hello there. You maybe heard the news that Vue, Plant Factory and Plant Catalog stopped developing from the Bentley, but on a bright side, they actually offer all of this software, the highest level of this software, for free to the users. It's actually very great news for us who want to put our hands on and try to work. And best of all, it's not just a free, it's a commercially free, so you can develop your products, plans, and other things, and sell them and use it for the commercials project, which is actually very, very nice. If you're not familiar with Vue or Plant Factory, I have plenty of videos and way more videos coming very soon for you to learn about these applications. But in this current video, I want just showing you where you can download it for free and how to install on your machine. As well, we're going over some versions to understand what is going on with this. All links from this video will provide down below so you can download it. Oh, let's begin first. The software Vue is now free, so it's legal to download, and with license agreement, everything, you can use it. For this link, you can go to the Bentley software, own software free download, and there you'll notice you have it download links, Vue, download Plant Factory, and Plant Catalog. What you want to do, go down and click on download button, which is prompt you to look on user agreement and accept. Of course, you can click in and review this agreement. And most important, what look on this, it is user made assets, which is tell you technically if you develop everything from scratch, you can sell those assets, but if you deliver from the existing plans, that you cannot use it because they actually still hold the copyrights for this. And the generic rules overall from this, you can take it. They won't support it, some limitation where you can use it. It's a very generic accept, but again, they're holding all rights to the code. It's not, keep it in mind, it's not open source. They have it rights to all code and everything, and it's for several reasons to do this, because they have the internal proprietary technology and lighting as well, and most important, they have some rights how it's incorporated and connecting with Autodesk, Adobe, and other applications bridges. And it is nice, it's working, but that is limited why it's not open source. So keep in mind, these codes still belong to the Bentley. Okay, let's next. Right here, when you read this, click accept and click submit. After this, you will be redirected to the page where you can select the different versions of downloading. And let's look what we have. We have 2003 and 2004 versions. The difference is 2023 was stable release full versions, and team was working on 2024 release versions, which was very close to release when Bentley decided to pull a plug out of the developing and done with these applications. You know, truly I was surprised it's lasted that long because, well, it's a long story we speak about after this, but it is here. Anyway, and here you can see they have different versions. 2024, it is still have a few problems, and when I was playing around, I found a couple, not major, just annoying UI bugs, which are very easy. You can go around, and I will show you sometimes when we're going to work. But generally, it's very stable and it's have very cool new technology, and you can read in a list what is available there. We won't cover them in this video. So right here, you have it download for the full install for 2023 for the Mac, Windows as well. You have it additional updater builder. So if for some reason you have it early versions, you don't download everything, you can install update. Personally, I would recommend for you to have it full installer and have it clean install if possible. Same is applied to Vue, Plant Factory, and we have it 2024 for the Plant Factory and Vue. So you have it 4 versions. One is more stable, another one with new technology, but may have a little bit more bugs because it was ending development. Okay, under this, you'll notice right here, you have it actually plans, and this is a plant catalog. It's a very high resolution, excellent collection of the plants that you can download it and install it. This is all content, all plants that was developed there. And if you're not familiar with the Plant Factory and Vue, those plants move in a wind. They can grow, they change with seasons. I mean, it is not the simple static plans that you may get it from other place. This is actually integrate plans that can change, modify, like almost living digital plans. That is what I have. And then most of them have very high resolution. So even you come close up, you can see great details. So right here is a plan catalog. And under this, you can see additional 3D collections and assets. This is also extra content, rocks, texture, some other things, models, some sample scenes that you can preview of them. Then another resource I will recommend you for you to check. One, I have at my Patreon on a Geekatplay. You can join for free, have a tiers and pay. And where I have it, literal gigabytes and gigabytes of the presets, texture, materials, everything related to the Vue, so you can go and download it from here as well. And of course, for the videos, I will highly recommend for you to go to my YouTube channel. It is YouTube at Geekatplay. And when you're on this channel, be sure you're going to the playlist, and inside the playlist, you will find playlist for the newer. Then I start releasing new tutorials on the Vue. And if you scroll down, you can find a lot of, 2,000, 3,000 videos was about the Vue. And you can go down and find almost all versions and how to use it, create for fun and everything. Just go explore right here. We cover almost every subject, but keep in mind, I am releasing new tutorials about latest versions, about the Vue and Plan Factory. So be sure you subscribe and click notification to know when they come over. And of course, another last resource I want to show, geekatplay.com, my website where you can go. The reason why I'm showing, I added forum, so I enable brand new forum there. I don't think anybody even registered yet, but I want to find some central place where people can ask questions and progress, because what Bentley does, they actually stopped anything, so you cannot like almost contact technical support and other things. In this case, it's more in the community way how we can do with this. So go ahead, be sure check those places. Well, let's go back now here. In this case, you can go and download it. For now, I will go and show as example how we can download and install Vue 2024. So let's go ahead, just click installer here. After you finish downloading, just go ahead and click setup. Okay, as install continue, you can see it's come up with choose your language. So we're going with the English. You'll have it Vue, Render Node, and Render Chaos. It's nice because they provide with the highest version you can have it, which is included nodes that can install on multiple computers and run as a nodes or Render Chaos. Let me explain what is Render Chaos is. In case if you have 5 computers and you want to increase speed of your rendering, you have a choice. You can run as your main computer, as maybe your main shepherd, I don't know who you can ball or whatever, and you can install small application as a small Vue kind of components on for other computers. In this case, you can select them as a chaos, and it's like a horde. They take your render and split between those computers so you can render much faster. They're using them as a nodes, or you can select them directly as a node, which is full independent, and you can render this way. If you're not familiar with this, I will recommend in the future, if you want another utilized computer, use it as a render cow, and we'll show how you can utilize in the future with multiple computers to increase speed of your rendering. For now, I'm just going to install as a main, so it will be going Vue. We'll select this, click next. You'll notice right here, I already have it some installation, so it's LDU on repair, but I already have it one. So I'll just click repair for now, but you can go with the new. On this case, you will have it new. And also I want to reinstall content library. So just let's do everything in this case. Let's go ahead, click next. This has come up with the terms of service, and you don't have a choice. You need to agree to continue, but you can read, and it's the same what we look before in this. Okay, let's go next. Let's look on any dependency. In this case, it will be installed for you C library if you don't have it. Mostly I would recommend for you, if you have the options, to install Visual C or Visual Code Studio, which will include a lot of stuff, and then just help you with many other options, like if you do AI, no rendering on your own computer or other things, it just nice things to have it, but it is a geek inside of me speaking about that. After it's finished installing, you can see it's come up with says, do you want to add shortcuts, help show startup help browsers, and I want to actually launch programs. So after this, let's go ahead and click finish, and it should launch application. You have it options from whether you have already files created or some sampling files as well. On the bottom, you have it resources, reference manual, license, Geek, even prepare shell. I'll show you in a second. We'll go with just empty, create brand new. And as we speak about license, you can go help, and let's go show about Vue. Notice right here it says release 2024, and license it's to me as before, and also you notice it's perpetual license. So you have it full open license. You can actually use it in this case. Okay, and this is how we install the Vue. Also, when you install a few options, let me show you want to do at the beginning of your applications. It will help you in the future. If you're going to file and you're going to options, inside the options, going to the general tab, and right here we have it load user presets. This is allowed you by clicking on this, select what type of interface you want to see, because Vue have it a little bit different from other applications. For example, orientations on X, Y, and Z. In Vue, Z is up, Y away from the camera. In many other applications will be Y up, X horizontal, and Z away. So this is a little bit different. You can change this, as well as a key mapping, and you can select right here if you would like to go by the Maya 3D Max Cinema. If you work with the Vue as the board or a panel in or plug-in to your other applications, you maybe want to set with a keyboard mapping same as other applications. And yes, that is actually extreme version of the Vue what you're getting, which is also plug in with all other applications as well, 3D Max, Maya, Cinema 4D. So it's will working together, which is kind of very nice. So right here you can set this properties when you need to do. Also adjust couple elements. Next, let's go ahead and see, like on a scenes, you want to be sure you enable after save, and mostly if you work with the beta versions like 2024, it is possibility it may crash it. And because this is what happened, I will recommend be sure you have it after enable save for your work, and as well set time 15 minutes, maybe a little bit too long depending on what you're doing. I would recommend at least set about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You don't need to be too short because it starts utilizing something backup, too much resources, access to your hard drive, but in this case you can do. And as well, maximum save as how many versions. Currently, because you have it 15 minutes save with 10 versions, it's give you about 2 hours, a little bit over 2 hours of the savings, but you can increase if you decrease amount of the after save, you want maybe increase how many versions. This does not take memory in your computer. Mostly it will take more space on your hard drive. And currently, I think it's cheap and those files is not very big. So I would recommend save more. In this case, you can go revert to versions that you like it. Also save scenes after rendering. This is will just when you click save, it will pop up on a screen and says you want to save it, so don't need to enable this. We'll go more about all these options later, including of the system options like how much threshold of polygons you want to do. We'll cover a little bit later in the other window videos. Okay, in the renders, you'll notice right here you have it options which one you want to use it, like GPU engines for substance. Just leave it everything as default in this case. Same on the display. OpenGL will allow you to how much memory you want to assign. For now, I say leave it everything here same. One thing what you may want to modify, it's if you're going inside the units, and inside the units right here you can notice by now it says a metric. If you prefer work with imperial, you can change here as well, and also assign what is each one Vue unit equal to the to other things, because maybe in like Unity, Unreal engines or other things, you may have a different size, sometimes maybe 10 centimeters per unit or whatever you prefer. So in this case, be sure those units is kind of working in the your preferable work flow, whatever you're using in this case. So this is kind of options you want to do. Be sure you kind of click save and OK in this case. I do have other videos about how to use this interface actually right there on the YouTube channel on mine. You can check them, and of course we'll do much more about this. So this is how you install Vue, and you can actually start playing with this. Remember, you can always go a file and load it some already pre-made as scene, so you can experiment with it. But keep in mind, whatever you're using already pre-made content, it's still copyrighted to the Bentley, so you cannot resell. You need to create yours from scratch, your original content. If you attempt to sell, maybe like on a DAZ Studio or on a DAZ 3D or some other place where you want to sell, or Generosity maybe, I don't know, but then you need to do that way. Okay, the similar installations will be with Plan Factory. Same ways you select it, install it. It's only a little bit easy because you don't need to worry too much about initial settings as well, except same with help. The other things what I want to show you, it is with the plans, because you have this plan catalog. You can go ahead and start installing your plan catalog. You'll notice right here, it is each file, whatever you downloaded in its, you have currently quite a bit of them. Each of them, when you open, have an installer inside. What I personally recommend for you, just create separate folders, and I usually name them by date of release so you can kind of install it. No, they won't duplicate it. It's a different plans was releasing, so be sure you kind of have all this collection. Okay, same plan factor right here. You go install it. Next, same things as you selecting. And it is actually, you notice right here, it is installing. So it just generally take those TPF files which represent for the plans and copy them in specific directory. So now your Vue can access, or Plan Factory can access to those specific plans. Generally, it's just take the one files and put it in the directory where it's supposed to. So and after this, of course, you can go in your Vue, right click on the plans, and right here you can see you have your plan catalog, and you can go ahead and preview and access all these trees. Notice on the plans, when you're selecting, there will be in versions low resolution, low details, or high details. They also have it for the ray tracing access, so the different type of plans. And some of them, if you access, let's go see if this one preloaded. As you select one tree, remember I told you it's a species, so look on this. We just have it one tree, and it's so many different presets on this, including what time of seasons, winter, dead tree, live tree. I mean, it is incredible, same as the size. If tree is not yet preloaded, or for some reason it's not yet in catalog, it will let you know and says, hey, you need to go and download the plans, and it's very easy to do. So right here, when you download tree, you should be very easy to see, okay, it's available. And also, let's go take my camera, because it's a very large tree, and we can preview. You can see very high quality, and this is Plan from Plan Catalog. It's come with a very vast amount of the plans, almost for any of your scenario you want to do. And of course, remember, with Plan Factory, you can create your own plans, and not just a plant. Again, if you watch my video, we created a lot of stuff, and we can create even city and towers. Be sure you check my videos about how we can do. You can create a lot of different stuff with this. It's an incredible tool, and I am sad and happy, honestly, because I'm set the stop production cycle on this, but I'm happy it's free available, because for some time the pricing and subscription was damaging some creators, and I saw a lot of creators leaving Vue and Plan Factory because of all of that subscription idea and limitations on a free version. But now hopefully this will change, and we'll see what future will bring. Well, thank you for watching this video. Again, this is just focusing on where to download it and how to install it, and of course check other videos that I created for you to see how you can use these applications in your creative digital work. Thank you, and have a great day.